evert it. And then I'll slam it down on, this is called a speeder board. It looks a lot more violent than it feels, right? And
Yeah,
look,
it
it's
doesn't
already,
even feel like really anything.
but your heel's already starting to evert better. Good. Comes out a C6 right here, so I'm going to adjust that segment. Good. And we'll go right here, make a fist, pushing down, don't let me. And that was stronger, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. I'm going to go over here to your AC joint and do a little manipulation. Good. Do me a favor, bend both your knees. Good. Okay, relax. Your left arm, put it right here, elbow back. I'm going to push forward. Don't let me do that. Ready, go. And that's the weak arm. Okay. So we're going to do a little adjustment to the glenohumeral joint here. You got some wrist laxity too. Good. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. I'm pushing, don't let me go. A lot better, yeah?
Yep.
Cool. All right. A couple more muscle tests here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to push down like so.
Okay.
Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. No!
Making me feel weak.
So weak. Good. Other side. Ready? Go. Much stronger, huh?
Yeah.
Turn on your side. Face that way.
It already cracked when just when you set it up, it cracks.
Lay on your back. Pushing down. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Way better, yeah?
World of a difference.
World of a difference. Your elbow, I'm going to pull it out here towards me. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Yeah. Not quite there. Okay. Breathe out. Oh. That's stung, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Pull it out towards me. Don't let me. Ready? Go. But it's firing way better. All right. So your hip abductors is what just tested weak. Turn your head towards me. Good. And that comes out of L5, which is right there. So rotate you just a little more. Breathe out. Good. Good. All right. Lay on your back. All right. Let it go. Good. And then right there. Very good. How you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah? Yeah, let that drop. Good. Good. Muscle test, I'm going to push down like that. Don't let me go. Perfect. Other side. Pushing there. Ready? Go. Again. And that's weak, isn't it?
Yeah, a little difference on that side.
All right, turn on your side, this side up. So the hamstring was weak, and lots of the hamstring comes out of L5 right here, and then our